Ground another 3-2. He got him one away. 2 on Betts. He worked the count full, struck out. Bogarts with a battle, but he struck out. And now a 3-2 to Moreland. Fly ball into right. Moreland got under it. Puig is styling for the crowd. Muncy is on with 2 out here in the first. I had to learn how to pitch. Now I've got this incredible fastball. Still learning it. Whatever I cut you off with, then you get into the bullpen, and then it's a different deal. That's up the middle. That's Turner. What an effort, but a base hit. What a... Peterson hits one down the right field line. It is gone. Dodgers strike first in game 3. Survived from. Turner hits it into left. That's down and corralled by Martinez. Turner hustling to second. He's got a double. Hard hit, base hit. Grandal is on. Got him looking. How about Buehler? Nobody on. Likes to go after the first pitch, and he hits one into left. This ball is back and off the wall. Machado was not running. Not sure if Justin Turner earlier as Bellinger pops it up on the infield. 2 outs, a time to push it. Machado did anything but. So the long single. That is chopped to third. Base hit. And Moreland, a good job. Bad hamstring and all. The Braves. Little chopper left side. Bogarts charging. Fly ball into right. Back at the wall. This game is tied. Ten RBIs. Jets where they stayed to split in Milwaukee. He is on with 1 out in the 8th. Second hit of the night. 2-1. Right side. Moreland out at second. Throw to first is wide, but stays in play. And Muncy is on with 2 out. And Bogarts grabbing that left leg. Let's take a look. "3-2. Struck him out. Another 0-2. A strikeout starts the 9th. Let me ask you. 1 hop, nice play, Taylor. Bottom of the 9th inning in game 3. The Red Sox bullpen. Bellinger sticks the bat out and a base hit into left. Takes a wide turn at first, and he's on to start the 9th. Runner goes. Taylor takes ball 4. Now he 2-1 pitch. Dozier pops it up. Vasquez gets rid of the mask and has it to send game 3 in. "3-2 from Baez. He walked him. 96 from the right hand. Pretty big lead and safe. Muncy thinks he got him. He's throwing it around as he asked the Dodgers bench to ask for a replay. Muncy thinks that Kinsler just got picked off. And he looks like he's right.
Really, he was going to take advantage and try to get to second base.
Safe. Wow. Muncy reacted, and on to baseball we go. Runner goes, and a base hit into center. Kinsler will go to third. The throw by Bellinger wide. And now just able to get back to the bag. As the tag was late by Turner as he tried to get to him. And it's first and third, one out, and the Red Sox are in business in the 10th. Here's a 1-1. Fly ball into center. Is it deep enough? Bellinger's got a good arm. Kinsler tags. Here's the throw home. Kinsler out. The game stays tied. What a throw by Bellinger to keep it 1-1. If there is an 11th. That's hooked into the corner. That ball is down for a double. Nothing in 2 on Machado. Red Sox have come right after him. And a pop-up on the infield. Hauled in by Eduardo Nunez. Go-ahead run at second. Chops it to the right side. Going to be a tough play. And safe. Ball gets away. To the plate is Holt. Red Sox on top 2-1. And 2. That's into the right field corner. Nunez, bad leg and all, is digging to third. They will hold him there on a double by Leon. And the Red Sox, with more 2-out noise, have the 0-1. That is a fair ball in the end of the inning. Ready. Popped up. Left side, foul ball, long run, and caught by Nunez. He goes into the seats, and with good base running, Muncy goes to second base. Hit to tie it. Muncy at second, the 1-1. That's up the middle. It's backhanded. Throw to first is wide. This game is tied. Kinsler threw it wide. It's 2-2. Say if it did or didn't. Here's Barnes now. Popping up into right. Mookie Betts is there, and this game is going to the 14th inning to untie game 3. He struck him out. Down the line in right. At the track, it is foul. Here's a 2-2. Got him on the inside corner, and Nathan Eovaldi keeps on rolling.
But it ends up being almost a game 3 start.
Muncy flies one in the air to left center. Back at the wall, and it's gone! It's over! Muncy, a walk-off home run to win game 3 in the 18th. Night. The most unlikely story of the Major League Baseball season, Max Muncy, let go by the A's a couple of seasons ago. Went to work with his dad to reconfigure his swing. Had a good year in the minor leagues last year with the Dodgers, but they didn't think enough of his season to activate him for the postseason, so he watched with everybody else. Started the season in the minor leagues, and he just gave the Dodgers the biggest swing of his life at the end of a 35 home run season. And tonight, at the end of a 7-hour, 20-minute game, the Red Sox lead this series 2-1.
That's unbelievable. And I said that adrenaline rush was going to be had by somebody. And now the Dodgers not only feel like this game and the patience, again, the patience of the Dodgers, you got to think that they feel really, really good about the twist and turn now in the series with all that had to have happen for the Red Sox.